I am Olivia and I just got my MakerKid kit. It's all about the spotted lanternfly. Scientists say it's an invasive species. Now it's time to pop out the pieces and make a spotted lanternfly. Abracadabra. Ready? Okay. Now we're gonna make the puzzle of the spotted lanternfly. You're gonna want to get your abdomen. This one. This part holds all of the legs, the 6 legs. Then you want your really bent legs, these ones right here. And when you put all of the legs in like this, so the toes stick up. You're gonna put them in the first, not the very first, the second to first slot where it's not too fat. Like right here. So it goes like this. It looks like this right now. Now you're gonna get your slightly bent ones. And you're gonna put them next to your other ones. Then you're gonna wanna get these two. Yeah. You're gonna put them in the last one. Then you're just gonna pop that sucker in. So next, you're gonna wanna get these 2 head pieces. And you're gonna wanna put them in this way so the nose is sticking up. And you wanna put them in this slot. When you put them in the slot, you wanna put them in this slot, the last one. You're just gonna stick that little nugget in. You get your other one, stick that little nugget in. There. Then you're gonna get your hind wings. And you're gonna put them in the second to last slot. Now it looks like a 2-piece missing spotted lanternfly. A 3-piece missing spotted lanternfly. Now you're gonna wanna get your 4 wings in. And these ones, you can put them either way. Wings in, and then the really slanted slot, that's the wings out. This time I wanna put my wings out. Now you're gonna get your thorax, and you're gonna put it in the last 2 slots. And there, now you have a spotted lanternfly.